Well, for most of the day, we were foggy, but as we head throughout the overnight, more of those rain showers are starting to push in, and we'll see the light rain showers, but not going to be nearly as much as what we saw over the past 24 hours as we saw rain make its way in yesterday, and it was really soggy in some locations. 37 degrees was our high yesterday, and we saw lows in the lower 30s, but because temperatures were so cold, we saw some snowfall. We actually saw a record amount of snowfall, around 4.1 inches at the National Weather Service here. But as we take a look at our highs today, we're actually made into the upper 40s in Houghton, 50 degrees in Munising, 51 down at Escanaba. And for us in Marquette, 53 degrees. So definitely a much warmer day for us. Winds not as breezy also, as we're sitting at 7 miles per hour from the south in Marquette, 9 miles per hour in Houghton, and at 8 miles per hour in Munising. They will continue to be right around that 5 to 10 mile per hour range throughout the overnight, so not going to be gusty at all, so not going to really have to worry about bringing in a heavy jacket as you do head outside. The winds will continue to fade. We could even see some locations go calm for a short while, but by the time we make our way into tomorrow, we'll be looking out for more of the light rain as more waves of moisture will make their way in, and we could see some pockets of heavier rain, but for the most part there will be just isolated events, and for the most part of the day we should just be seeing those light rain showers, but finally beginning to dry out closer to Friday, and that is going to be because, well, this disturbance starts to push out of here, and we'll see a few peaks of sunshine, but better clarity is not going to make its way in until later during the weekend. As we take a look at our setup, you can see this area of low pressure that has been affecting us really. It's not really moving much of anywhere. We'll see that it moves off towards the northeast over the next 24 hours as cooler air starts to filter in right behind that, and winds will start to pick back up from the northwest as we go later on into tomorrow night. And we'll feel more of that chillier air mass by tomorrow night, but still expect the rain showers to be around, and it's going to be all of rain showers, not going to be expecting any snow. And as that area low pressure does push off towards the northeast, rain showers stick around. You can see farther off to the south, they are starting to finally clear out after all the rain they saw, but we will stay on the chilly side in terms of overnight lows as we head into the weekend, because highs will actually start to push back closer to normal. As we take a look at Futurecast, this area of low pressure moves off towards the northeast. You can see a wave of moisture starts to push in as we head late into the early morning, and then also throughout the early afternoon, and then that pushes out of here. We're also going to be seeing some more light rain chances here to there. You can see on the model, they just come in and out. So don't really expect it to be a mostly sunny day at all, or going to be we're going to be continuing to stay mostly dry. But 38 degrees, more rain and less wind. Southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour tomorrow. Light rain, and then we could see those areas of heavier rain showers at times. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Highs in the 40s, 50s as you go farther south at Florence at 51 degrees, 49 at Escanaba, while at 48 at Marquette. Our day planner showing more rain in the forecast. Although it won't be the entire day, still have the umbrellas handy. And our 7-day forecast, here come more of the 50s Friday and Saturday with lower rain chances at 30%. Sunday, we will finally break through, seeing more of the sun, and also for us on Monday with highs in the upper 40s and the lower 50s.